Well, I'm here now on day 10 at the Olympic Games, and I'm actually walking around the speed skating arena, which is completely deserted right now because nothing's happening. I'm going to try to make my way through the park into the curling centre to meet a friend of mine, and I just wanted to talk about last night. So I went to the Olympic Park and saw the drone show, which is produced by Intel. And I've been looking forward to seeing something like that for quite a while, having worked with drones for a number of years now. And it was incredible. It was beautiful. They called it the shooting stars, and yeah, they looked exactly like stars flying up in the sky and creating these wonderful choreographed movements, beginning with the Olympic rings. Now I gather that the opening ceremony rings, which were similar format, similar size to the Olympic Plaza every night, where they do the medal ceremony and finish with Intel drone show. So it was great to see the rings properly, because I wasn't sure whether in fact the rings were flying in the sky on opening ceremony night. Some people said that in fact it was pre-recorded, which I can imagine, because often at the Olympic Games the opening ceremony rings moment is a time when things can go wrong quite badly. So I don't know if anyone can confirm whether it actually happened or not that night, but seeing the rings last night, it was just breathtaking, and the crowd were amazed by it, and it just goes to show what you can do with rings. Now it was juxtaposed by the fireworks which took place just after it, and just as the drones were descending to the ground with their flashing lights, they kind of intermingled with the fireworks, and it did look like they became part of the firework display. And it's an interesting relationship, I think, to have and to think about the possibilities that drones may bring to something like that, where fireworks, it often feels, have kind of reached their limit in terms of creative possibilities. So adding drones to a firework display can just upscale it considerably, and it was really beautiful. So I'm very glad to have seen it. I might have to pop back another night to see it again. Bye.